In a shiny kitchen drawer where the silverware would stay lived a spoon and fork who loved to sing all day. They tapped on plates and bowls with a happy clink clink, making tiny melodies sweeter than you'd think. The spoon sang softly, a lullaby so light, while the fork chimed in with harmonies bright. Together they twirled in a musical dance, spinning on the counter every time they got the chance. They sang to the kettle, they sang to the pot, they even woke the toaster who liked singing a lot. The kitchen woke up with its youthy note as the spoon and fork hit every perfect quote. At night they rested quietly in their drawer, but whispered softly, tomorrow we'll sing